morning, students. So now we are going to continue with the same chapter, The Making of a Scientist by Robert Peterson. So now in the final video module we have discussed about certain things about the work of this man, the way that he did the research on Viceroy butterflies and the monarch butterflies, whether Viceroy butterfly copy monarch butterfly or not, because of their similarity in colors, to save themselves from the birds. But he found that the starling birds, they would eat only monarch butterflies, but at last he got the prize. So after that, then he started a new theory there. Especially in his second year in the high school, Richard, that he began the research that led, then he, especially when he was in the second year of the high school, began his research who led to the discovery of unknown insect hormones, where that he started discovery in the second year of his high school, that he started on unknown insect hormones, right? It means indirectly that it led to the theory. Is a theory that is the life of cells, right? Indirectly that it leads. So the question he tried to answer, it was clear that the question which he tried to answer was so simple. What was the question? That the question was, what is the purpose of 12 tiny gold spots, right? 12 tiny gold spots on a monarch pupa, right? What was the question which he tried to answer? That what is the purpose of 12 tiny gold spots on a monarch pupa? That was the question which he tried to answer. Here different speculations had. Everyone, that they assumed, all other scientists or the people, that this is what the 12 tiny gold spots are given, only just an ornamental for the beauty, for the decoration, something to look beautiful for the appearance. But Dr. Frederick Urquhart, that he was not sure. It means he didn't believe. When the people said, everyone said, this is what just for ornamental, that time Dr. Urquhart, that he didn't believe. So as a result of that, Richard and his friends, for example, and others, that they started their research on this, right? They started their project or the research, and they had built such a device. They were working on to build a device, and they showed that spots were producing hormones. They wanted to find out the reasons of the 12 tiny gold spots on a monarch pupa. They had built a device. Richard and his fellow students, or the colleagues, friends, they developed a device, and they showed that spots were essential. It means that they were producing hormones, and the hormones are necessary for the full developments of the monarch butterflies, right? Hormones were necessary for the development of the butterflies full development that they had discovered. Actually, the main use of that spots, or the tiny 12 tiny gold spots, that is, they used to produce the hormones, and the hormones are necessary, must, for the full development of the butterflies that they found, right? And that project, that thing that won the first prize, especially in the county science fair. He gave the first prize to Richard and his friends. After that, he also got the entry because of this research on this 12 tiny gold spots on monarch pupa for the butterflies. That they also got the entry into international and engineering fair. Because of this research on the project, they got entry. And also they own the third place in zoology department or that division, third place as a result of this research. And he also got a chance to study or to continue the research at Walter Reed Army Institute of Research. Who? Richard, as a result of his hard work or the research. He got the chance to study there or to work there at Walter Reed Army Institute of Research. Right? After that, as a high school student, students or the junior, he continued his experiments on monarch pupa, and as a result of that, his experiments that he got that year also that he got the first place at International Science Fair because of this project. The it means the work of that tiny 12 tiny gold spots on the monarch pupa, which he was doing the research. And for example, now importance of these cells. And in the senior year then, he grew cells from a monarch's wings, that he continued his research, and on that gold spots, 12 tiny gold spots, and in the senior year that he grew cells from a monarch's wings, right, in a culture, and showed that, what did he show there? Cells would divide and develop into the normal butterflies wing scales. What did he show there? Cells would divide and develop into normal butterfly wing scales that he showed. It means he showed the actual reality, purpose of that 12 tiny gold spots, and that he did. And after that, and one more thing, and it is possible, right? Growing of the cells would divide and develop for the hormones, etc. Cells are possible. It is possible only in the presence of if they had fed the hormones from the gold spots. Producing cells, etc. it is possible, but in which case it is possible if they were fed the hormones from the gold spots, then and then it is possible, right? If they had fed the hormones from the gold spots, it means the purpose of that gold spots that he had clearly shown, that it produces hormones and how the hormones are necessary for the cells, for the growth, for the full development of that bird, it means of that butterfly, right? So after that, it also, this project stood first, got the first place in the zoology division, and at the international fair also, zoology division at the international fair got the first prize, and also worked at and he got the chance, Richard got the chance to work at the international work at the Army lab and at the US Department of Agricultural lab, right? As a result of this research, that he got the chance to work at the Army lab and at the US Department of Agricultural lab, right? And Also, in the following summer, for example, after he is a freshman, that year Harvard University, he went back to the lab, right, to the laboratory of the department of this agricultural, and did the same work on the hormones. After the next year, that he continued his research on the hormones, and as a result of that, on the hormones and the gold spots, using the laboratory's sophisticated equipments. When he went there at that laboratory, agricultural lab, he used some advanced technology or the equipments, and he was able to identify the hormones chemical structure. Who? Richard was identified the hormones chemical structure there, and after that he also got some results that we will continue in the one more video module. Thank you.